Good evening, one and all. I welcome you all to I Ask Ayush Diksha Learning Program Series 2 Clinical Insights on Neurology by Dr. L. Mahadevan Sir. Yesterday, we really had a different approach to almost very common neurological disorders which we get in our day-to-day clinical practice. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion, and compassion. This is a quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. Today is his 89th birthday, and it is celebrated as World Student Day in his memory. So, we all are students of Dr. Mahadevan Sir, and he instills his knowledge, and the quality of a best student is a reflection of the teacher's skills. So, I am highly privileged to welcome Sir for the Day 2 session. I welcome Dr. Vairamuthu to give a brief talk about Sir.
Sarvesham Namaste. Om Shri Guru Ganeshabhyam Namaha. Guruve Saranam, Guruve Dunai. We, I Ask Ayush, is feeling immense pleasure to welcome you all for the Sukhabodhana Jnana Prakashana Varga, second day of I Ask Ayush Siksha Ayurveda Dr. L. Mahadevan's Clinical Insight Series 2, Neurological Clinical Medicines Series. Let us start our session with auspicious prayer. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Guru Vandanam. Ananta Samsara Samudradara Naukayitabhyam Guru Tithabhyam Vairagya Samajyada Pujanabhyam Namo Namaha Shri Guru Padakabhyam. I Ask Ayush is feeling very proud to have such a great guru, L. Mahadevan, MD, PhD, Ayush. He completed from Venkana Ayurveda College in Chennai 1993. Complete postgraduate from MD Kaya Chikitsa from Government Ayurveda College, Thiruvananthapuram in 1997. He completed his clinical skills and he started his clinical practice in November 1997. He has published 72 books on Ayurveda and Siddha. He has written 43 books in Tamil and 29 books in English. He has trained more than 1,000 students in his Gurukula and influenced innumerable Ayurveda learners all over the world. And he has received the Best Scientific Writing Award from the Raja Ayurveda Vidyapeetham, Government of India, Acharya Award from CCIM, Government of India, and Best Writer Award from Government of Tamil Nadu, the Best Doctor Award 2012 from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, and Vedatri Maharishi Award from SKM, and innumerable awards. I don't find any other words except Guru. Gu Shabdastu Antakarasyad, Ru Shabdasta Nirodakaha, Antakarasya Nirodhitvat, Guru Ityabidiyate. So, without any further ado, I humbly welcome Dr. L. Mahadevan Sir, MD, PhD, Ayu, to enlighten us. Namaste, sir. Swagatam.
Namaskaram, Hema.
Namaskaram, sir.
Nanargya.
Namaskaram, sir. So, good evening, sir. நீங்க ரொம்ப பிஸி சார். ஆனா உங்க பிஸி ஷெட்யூல்ல வந்து உங்க டைம் ஒதுக்குனதுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சார். உங்களோட செஷன் கேட்கிறதுக்கு நாங்க எல்லாம் ஆவலா காத்துட்டு இருக்கோம் சார்.
உங்களை பார்க்கிறது சந்தோஷம் எனக்கு.
Thank you சார். நானும் சார் எங்களுக்கும் டெய்லி உங்க செஷன் கேட்கிறதுக்காக நாங்க எல்லாம் இந்த டைம் நீங்க எப்ப வருவீங்க அப்படி காத்திருந்து உங்க பிஸி ஷெட்யூல்ல நீங்க இது பண்ணது இது அதுக்கு அகாமடேட் பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சார். நாங்க தான் சார் உங்களுக்கு நன்றி சொல்லுவோம்.
I will continue to teach in Ayush.
Thank you sir.
I will directly go to the class.
Okay sir. And I am having a plan to do a session on basics of child psychology. So we as practitioners, when a child comes, we would like think that how to connect with a child, and there would be really some children would come to us for any specific health issues, or else some children would have emotional issues, behavioral issues. So I think I'm just planning to have a clinical session. Like I have finished my child and adolescent psychology, so I thought I would share a few sessions with you all. I think sir is back with us now.
Some serious problem in the technical area,
Okay, sir.
but we have promised to take classes. We will make it an interactive session.
Okay.
Let the students ask anything from neurology, Vada Vyadhi,
Okay, sir.
so that we will spend 1 hour or 1.5 hour in that. So
Okay.
anything related to neurology, they can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Because nothing is working here.
Oh, okay, sir.
So students, you can ask me anything related to neurology, rheumatology, Vata Vyadhi, everything, starting from higher mental functions to peripheral neuropathy, you can ask.
Sir, is it possible for a 36-year-old person to develop degeneration knee joint? Also, if such age group person develop difficulty in flexion of knee joint, can that be due to degeneration?
Yeah. Degeneration usually starts above 50 in an obese individual. Weight bearing joints are affected. This articular cartilage is avascular, and Sthanika dosham is Kafam, Snigdham, and Agandhika dosham is Vayu. Actually, in the pathology, Ayurvedic pathology, Vada is aggravated by its own Nidana, and Vada travels in the body by Chalaguna, and Raktam is aggravated by Vidahi Guna, and Raktam travels by Saraguna. The Rakta and Vada meet in the Sandhi, and Dosha Dusha Samurjanam takes place in the Sandhi. When Vidahi predominates, you get Vada Raktam. When Rukshada predominates, you get Sandhigata Vada. Now, coming to your question, whether a 36-year-old person can degeneration, which is called anterior knee pain syndrome. There are two conditions where the degeneration can happen in the earlier phase. One is chondromalacia patella, second one is patellofemoral degeneration. Mostly it affects women. They will be able to walk in the ground floor without any pain. When they get up, there will be pain. When they get down, there will be more pain. That is the patellar degeneration. The patellar degeneration can happen at the age of 18. From 18 to 40, it can happen. From 18 to 40, it can happen. So, younger age also is possible, but tri-compartment degeneration is not possible. Tri-compartment degeneration means there are three components in the knee joint. That is the tibiofemoral, patellofemoral, femorotibial. So these components, anterior component gets affected. Anterior components get affected. So here treatment is same. You have to strengthen quadriceps, hamstring, and vastus medialis. One of the commonest cause for early hood degeneration is dental caries, sotapal. So dental caries has to be corrected, and it will be all right. This is a condition where our Navarakiri, Pirichal will be very helpful. So in the Pitta age, there is Vada Vriddhi. So Pitta and Vada Samana Rasa is Madhura Rasa. So Vada Pitta Samana Rasa is Madhura Rasa. Here we have to treat the degeneration in the Pitta Kala with Madhura Rasa. So Vidaryadi Kashayam, Ksheeravala Dailam, Narayana Dailam, Madhyashtiyadi Dailam, Ksheeravasti, Brigatyadi Ganaksiddha Ksheeravasti, Shavanaprasha Rasayanam. All these things are Madhura Rasa.
Participants kindly wait. I think there is some serious technical issues. Sorry for the inconvenience today. I think technical issues are really unpredictable. We cannot predict. Kindly wait, participants. So I think you can, when sir is back, I think you can use a raise hand option to ask your questions directly to sir, or else you can post in the chat box so that I will ask the questions to sir directly.
மேடம் இப்போ வந்துருவாங்க மேடம். ஹலோ.
Okay sir, no problem sir.
என்னவோ ரொம்ப மொபைல்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க, நீங்க கேளுங்க. மொபைல்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க டாக்டர். கேக்குதா மேடம்? மொபைல்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க. மொபைல்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க, நீங்க கேளுங்க.
கேக்குது சார்.
ஒரே ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ், ஏகப்பட்ட ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இது.
கேக்குது சார்.
அடுத்த क्वेश्चन
சார். நோ ப்ராப்ளம் சார். நீங்க பேசுங்க சார். சார், Parkinson's, can you elaborate about Parkinson's sir?
Yeah, sure. எப்படி இதல பார்த்து பேசுங்க.
ஆமா சார், அப்படி பார்த்து.
Parkinson's disease நிறைய இருக்கு இதுல. Parkinsonism, atypical Parkinson plus, Shy-Drager syndrome, progressive supranuclear palsy. The Parkinson garde, the dopamine deficiency it is produced. Parkinson is characterized by tremor, resting tremor, slow stepping gait, monotonous dysarthria, kyphosis, and word output will be less. They have constipation. They get memory loss, which is called Parkinson dementia complex. So in the clinical examination, we check the rigidity by plantar flexion and dorsiflexion of the hand, where we get cogwheel rigidity. Then we do a test called, we ask the person to walk in the straight line, adipradakshana madri nadakka solittu, then ask them to come back. Most of the people will not be able to do. Then ask them to do like this. This is called dysdiadochokinesia. The Parkinson person may not be able to do that. Then to rule out cerebellar pathology, we will ask them to touch the nose, finger nose test. Then we increase the speed. The knee heel test is done. All these things. Parkinson is a clinical diagnosis, and no investigation can find for Parkinsonism. The only thing, we take an MRI. The MRI may rule out normal pressure hydrocephalus, but with MRI we cannot find Parkinson's disease. When Parkinson is caused by a vascular pathology like stroke in the area of thalamus, substantia nigra and basal ganglia, the person will mimic like Parkinson, which is called Parkinsonism. Young person at the age of 35 or 40, Parkinson comes above 60. The young person, when they get Parkinson, and they get vertigo. It is called orthostatic hypotension. Whilst lying down, BP will be 120/80. You ask the patient to get up and wait for 3 minutes. Then take the BP, it will be 100/60. There will be sudden fall, which is called Parkinson plus, where the syndopa will not work. Already I have told, dopamine is vada, serotonin is pitta, GABA is kapha, histamine is kapha. So coming to the Ayurvedic perspective, there is slowness, there is tremor. If you see the Vadakshaya Lakshana, Prasedam, Aruji, Hirlasam, Samjnamogam, Alpavak, Alpacheshtana, Prakarsham, Ankasadam, Agni Vaishamyadivihi, Kshino, Vayu, Pidayadi. This is very important sloka, very important. Samjnamoham, Alpavak, Alpacheshtana. You can see in Parkinson, you can see in stroke, Samjnamoham, Alpavak, Alpacheshtana. But it is told in Vadakshaya Lakshanam, Chaya cannot produce a disease because Chaya cannot attain Sthana Samsraya and Dosha Dusha Samurchana. So because of the Kapha Avarana, there is Vadakshaya Lakshana. So one of the topic which Ayush people will be hearing from me, the topic which other Ayurvedic doctors are afraid to talk, 2 topics, Gadavadam and Avaranavadam. What is Gadavada? Snayu Gadavada, Sandhi Gadavada, Asti Gadavada. What is this Gadavada? Then Avaranavadam and Avradavadam. This one topic I would like to talk. I will be talking. And the second topic, where most of the scholars are afraid or not ready to talk, is the utility of Arishta Lakshanas in day-to-day clinical practice. Indriyasthana. Clinical application of Indriyasthana. Now coming to the Vada Kapha Anubandha nature of Parkinson. Thaila, first you have to give Vadanulomanam, Gandharvastadi, Vaishwanaram for 2 months. Then Thaila Snehavanam with Sakajaradi Thailam. Yusham is Anuvanam. Thailam is acidic. Yusham is alkaline. So this Anuvanam is important. After this Thaila Snegavana, after attaining Samyak Snigdha Lakshana, you have to do Utkleshana for 3 days. Then you have to do Virejana. All these Snegadi Kramas like Pidichal, Navarakiri are Anupachaya in nature. Then you have to go for Nasya in Uttama Matra, 10 drops, 8 drops, 6 drops. 1 bindu is 0.5 ml. So you have to give for Uttama Matra Nasya. Then you have to go for Lashuna Rasayana. Practically, people give Kavigachu. They say 40 grams of Kavigachu contains 250 milligrams of Syndopa. So Kavigachu practically is not a very useful drug. Shamana medicines, Rasonadi Kashayam, Rasonam, Karavi, Krishna, Stira. The Pradiloma Vayu is reduced by Rasonadi, Ashtavargam, Bhataradarvadi, Dhanananayanadi, Sakajaradi Dailam, Prasaranyadi Dailam, Karpasyasthadi Dailam. Then Dvibanjamuladi Vasti is very important. So after doing all these things, you can go for Shirovasti. Morning 5 o'clock Vamanam, 10:30 Vasti, and 8:30 Kapha Jirna Kala Virejanam. 5:45 is the Shirovasti period in our hospital. We have standardized this because Kapha Jirna Kala, Ashtanga Sankaraka says, that is Kapha Kalam is between 6 and 10. So in Grishma Rutu, 7 o'clock meal and 7:10 is Anuvasanam. Grida Anuvasanam in Grishma Rutu. So coming to this Parkinson's disease, we will be giving all Vada Kapha Kara Aushadas, avoiding of Mamsakiri, Navarakiri, Pidichal, etc. Anuvasanam can be given, and Medhya Rasayanas at the end are very important. What is this Medhyam? Mind has got 3 components: recording, retaining, recalling. Recording is Kapha, retaining is Pitta, recalling is Vayu. Recalling is Vayu. So, Medhya Rasayanas are told in Tikta Skanda. Understand that Brahmi is Tikta Rasa, Manduga Varni is Tikta Rasa, Guduchi is Tikta Rasa. So we have Madhura Medhyam and Tikta Medhyam. Madhura Medhyam is Vadavitta Samanam. Tikta Medhyam is Pitta Kapha Samanam. Madhura Medhyam, Vadavitta Samanam. Madhura Medhyam, Gridam, Madhura Medhyam. Yashti Madhu, Madhura Medhyam. Kushmandam, Madhura Medhyam. Swarnabhasvam, Madhura Medhyam. Tikta Medhyam, Manduga Varni. Brahmi, Centella Asiatica, Bokoba Munnire, and this Tikta Medhyam, Guduchi. Now we have got 3 types of dementia that is seen in practice, even in Parkinson's disease. We should call it Parkinson's disease. And in Parkinson's disease, Vada dementia. Alzheimer's type of dementia is Vada dementia. In Vada dementia, you should give Gridapanam. You should give for Ashtadasha Kushmanda Gridam, told in Ashtanga Gridayam, Pittaja Unmada Chikisa. Then Kapha type of dementia, atherosclerotic dementia, you will be giving Panchagavyam, Mahapanchagavyam, Lashunadi, Hindu Savarchaladi, Vachadi Gridam, etc. So in this dementia complex, you should understand that Abasmaram, Unmadam, Adatva Vinivesham, Balakragam, Buddhavidya, all these things, not even a single Kashayam is mentioned. Understand it. Even in Vadavyadi, there are only 2 Kashayams mentioned in Brihatrayi. One is Bhadradarvadi, Akshepakam Susruda. Another one is Sakadaradi. Sakadaradi is mentioned in Urustamba. Urustambam is not a Vadavyadi. So, of course, in Nanatmada Vada Vigaras, it is told. Why they told in Nanatmada Vada Vigaras Urustamba, and they did not tell in other conditions? Because you should know, you should be thorough with Tandrayukti, you should be thorough with Prakriti Samasamavayam, Vikriti Vishama Samavayam, Vishesha Pratyaratam. All these things, Visishta Pratyaratam, all these things you should be thorough. So coming to this dementia complex, you have all these medicines that make the Rasayana. So in Manovarogas, not even a single Kashayam is mentioned. In 14th century, Brahmi Drakshadi is introduced in Sakasra Yoga. The second Kashaya, which is very popular for Manorogam, is Samjna Stabana Ganam of Charaka Samhita. Vedana Stabana Ganam. One person asked me, Ayugu Stabanamidi Astabanam. Vedana Stabanamidi Vedana Stabanam. Do you have a Gana to sustain Vedana or pain in the body? Then Gangadhara in Jalpakalpadaru says, Vedana to Sparsha jnanam ityartha. Vedana means sensation. Vedana is not pain. So coming to these Manorogas and Parkinson's disease, Parkinson dementia complex, not even a single kashayam is told. All are Gridas, Kalyanagam, Maga Kalyanagam, Chetasam, Mahaderasam, Ashtadasa Kushmanda Gridam, Saraswata Gridam, Maha Saraswata Gridam, Chaitanya, this Gintu Savarachala Gridam, Lachuna Gridam. So many Gridas, 23 Gridas are available in that chapter. Why? Mastulunga Sadirsham Gridam. The grey matter, white matter, myelin sheath resembles Grida. Dalhana says. So, Drabya Samanyam, Guna Samanyam, Karma Samanyam. In Vadigaranam, Drabya Samanyam. Nakararedaso Vrishyanam, Drabya Samanyam. Kshiram Vrishyanam, Guna Samanyam. Sankalpo Vrishyanam, Karma Samanyam. So, here, Mastulunga Sadirsham Gridam is Drabya Samanyam. It is Samskarasya Anuvartanam and Yoga Vagi. When a medicine which is mixed with some other medicine, it should not lose its own property, at the same time adhere and enhance the property of the thing to which it is added. So honey is Yoga Vagi, Thailam is Yoga Vagi, Samskara, this Gridam is Yoga Vagi. Puranatvam Gunagaram is for Gridam, Arishtam and Basmam. So in Parkinson's disease, you do all the Vada Kafagara Avaranagana Chikisa. Lashuna Rasayanam is highly useful. Vibanja Moladi Vastri is useful. Brahmana Kriyas after 8 months of treatment you can do. Parkinson is a Yapya Vyadi. It is not a Subasadya Vyadi. And this is what I want to talk about Parkinson's disease. 60% of relief. Clarity, to improve the clarity of speech, walk. Parkinson will be having monotonous dysarthria. When a person is able to convey sentences slowly, that is Broca's. The word output per minute is less. If the person is unable to understand, that is Wernicke's. Here, monotonous dysarthria. They cannot talk high, they cannot talk low, they talk in the same voice. So you will be giving Saraswata Churnam, Saharidra Vachagushtam, Tippali Vishwabeshajam, Ajaji Ajamojaga, Yashti Maduka Saindava. So this Saraswata Churnam. What is the other name of Saraswata Churnam? Many people do not know. Kalyanaga Avalega Churnam. Both are said. They are mixed with Punaga Dailam. And Pradhisaranam is done to improve the Vak Shakti. Gavalam is also done. Vacha, Vak Shakti Vardhanam is the Vacha. So Vacham is also given. When you give Vacha and Yashti Madhu as Medhya Rasayana, you should be very careful about the dosage because Vacha and Yashti Madhu are Vamana Dravyas. Madana Madhugaramba, Nimpavimbi Vishara, Drapisagudada Murva, Devadali Krimikram. So Yashti Madhu and Vacha, you should be very good. But Susruda in Vacha Rasayanam talks so much of Vacha. So Rasayanam, I always tell the student, Charakastu Chikitside is correct, but don't read Rasayana because Tuvaragam is not told, Langali is not told, Pancharavindam is not told, Kuvalaya Sadishkam is not told, Narasimham is not told, Vringarajam is not told. So many Rasayanas are not told. Lasunam, I doubt. Is told. Ayushkami Rasayanam is told. Many Rasayanas are not told. So, this Rasayanam, Shiva Guliga is not told. Shiladit we study. And that is why in my COVID study, I did not select Indugandham because Dasamulam is controversial. Dasamulam may not be available. Dundugam, Shonagam may not be available. And Kasturi, we don't use that. Kasturi, when Vaidyanathan sir was there, he was adding a drug called Jundubi Jastar. It is a excreta of sea animal. Kasturi Tadabave, Takolam, Tadabave, Draksha is told in 17th century in Yoga Ratnagaram by Mayura Buddha Ruksha. So in 17th century itself, Kasturi is non-available, endangered drug. Punugu is endangered. Gandhamarjara Veeryam is endangered. So to tell the summary, give Gandharvastadi Ashtavargam Vaishwanaram for 3-4 months, and Sugumara Gridam when Apana Anulomanam is taking place, other pranas will be working properly. While telling the Sugumaram is very important, because Sugumaram is not a legium, even though Gudam is there. Sugumaram is not a Gridam, even though Gridam is not there. Sugumaram contains Yarandadailam, one Stavara Snegam, one Jangama Snegam. So Sugumaram is Yamalam. So Gudayukta Yamala Sugumara Rasayanam. So Vittu Vibandeshu Sasyade. So Vittu Vibandeshu Sasyade, you have to give hot water. You have to give hot water. Likewise, in Krida Snegavana, you have to give warm water. This is very important. And after this Virejana, you have to do Samsarjana Grama. Many people are not doing Samsarjana Grama. Mandam, Peya, Virevi, Akrida Yusham, Krida Yusham, Akrida Mamsarasam, Krida normal diet. You understand how Acharyas have told? Simple glucose, complex glucose, simple protein, complex protein, saturated fat, normal diet. You see the beauty of Samsarjana Karma in Ayurveda. That is why I tell my students, Samsarjana Karma is the second Annaprasana to the patient. So with that, I think I have covered many areas. Parkinson, you have Lewy body dementia with Parkinson, Parkinson with supranuclear palsy, Parkinson with ALS, Parkinson with primary lateral sclerosis. We see all these cases because our center is a center for neurology, and even neurologists say you get cases like medical university, and we diagnose. We don't go for the diagnosis. We diagnose, and neurology is equal to Mula Siddhanta plus common sense. If you pick up earlier, Parkinson's can be diagnosed. Many people have Parkinson. You know, the boxer, he got Parkinson. Many people suffered from this. When the Parkinson becomes very deep-rooted, then it will be very difficult to treat. So, Kashayas like Madhura Rasa Pradhanya Vadagara Uchada, Vidaryadi, Dhanvandaram are avoided because they are Kleda Vardhana in nature. Kledam is an important concept in Ayurveda. So, Dhadubhagam, Malasanjayam, Abhishyandi, Kledam, Kavaigunyam. With these 5, you can talk about whole Ayurveda. One day I will talk about these 5 important Samprapti Katakas. Those who want to understand and enjoy the day, we can understand. What is the difference between Kledam, Abhishyandi and Udagam? Whether Udagam and Kledam are one and same. So Kledam is Ushna Snigdam. Kledam is Pitta Pragoba Lakshanam. Pitta se Daga Raga Ushma Pagidaga Sweda Kleda Surdikoda Sadana Murchanam Madaga Kadagamala Rasavarno Pandadaruna Varita. So this Kleda is told in Pitta. So Pitta Kledam is very important. Whether the Kledam told in Pramekam, Medasa, Mamsansa, Sarirajam, the Kledam Kabo, Vastigadan, Pradushya, Mutrase, Kledavaganam, all these things we will discuss one day. So coming to the Parkinson, Avarana Chikitsa is important. Thailam Anuvasayam, important. Snigdha Yukta Virejanam, important. And Vasti, important. Mamsakri, Navadakri, Navadaipu, Burma Chikitsa. Burma, they say, Burma people are very good people. Some areas it is effective, some areas it is not effective, but they give mixed results. So Parkinson can be handled very well with Thaila Snegavana. If you are unable to give, Snegavana, give Shamana Snega. 12 o'clock Snega, 5 o'clock Snega. 20 ml Sagadaradi, 12 o'clock, 20 ml Sagadaradi, 5 o'clock. This is Shamana Snegavana. How many days you will give? Until you get the Vyadi Shamana Lakshanas, you will be getting. Avabhidaga Snegavanam, if there is a atonic bladder in Parkinson, You cannot take Thailam for Avabhidaka Snegavana. Avabhidakam is done with Gridam only. Thailam is not selected for Avabhidakam. Avabhidakam is a Samana Snegavana. Avabhidakam can be done up to 9 days. Avabhidakam can be done until the Samyak Avabhidaka Lakshanas are seen. Avabhidakam is told in Mutra Roga Lakshanas in Ashtanga Hridaya. Avabhidakam is told in Raktarshas in Charaka Samhita. Avabhidakam is told in Vadigaranam in Kasyapa. What does it indicate? It corrects Abhana Vaigunyam. Abhana Vaigunyam has to be corrected in Parkinson. So to correct the Abhana Vaigunya, to give the Avabhidaka Snegavana, Thailam is not selected because Thailam is Alpamutra Krit. Thailam is Alpamutra Krit. So Thailam is not selected. Thailam is Tochyam. That is why in Kerala, Tochyam is good for skin one interpretation. Taktosha Vardhanam, another interpretation. These acharyas, the commentators, word Abhishanti. According to Sarangadhara, anything which is Madhura Rasa, Pichula Guna, produces Sroda is Abhishanti. Example is Dadi. Opposite of Abhishanti is Pramadi. Pramadi is Marijam. But in Lavado Bhagita Snegavanam, Chakravani says, Srodasam Sravagam Abhishanti. Dosha Sangada Vicheda Janagam Abhishanti. Entirely different meaning. Lavana. Dosha Sangada Vicheda Janagam Abhishanti. In Ayurveda Deepika, you see that. In Gudartha Deepika, it is different. In Sarangadhara. So these are all the varieties that exist. I think I have covered Parkinson reasonably well. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir. Sir, we could hear, sir. Sir, tennis elbow Ayurvedic protocol, sir.
Tennis elbow, medial epicondylitis and lateral epicondylitis. The lateral epicondylitis is called tennis elbow. Medial epicondylitis is called golfer's elbow. The pain in the middle of the elbow joint is called olecranon bursitis. So, in Asti, there is pain. Asti Gada Vadam. Pakwasya Gada Vadam. Pakwasya is the seat of Vadam. Then how Pakwasya Gada Vadam becomes a disease? It is called Swasthanasya Dosha Dusha Samurchanam. So the medicine is Tiktarasena Kshiragridadu Beshadam. You need a Tiktarasa, Karaguna, and Abhishanti. No such drug is available. Arunadatta says. So you have to samskaram. You do samskaram. Negrodadi Kshiragshayam. Astisandaniya Gana Kshiragshayam. Priyangu Kshiragshayam. Bugulidiktakam Kshiragshayam. Laksha Kshiragshayam. And Agni Karmam are very effective in tennis elbow. Some people conventionally give Abhavahuga Chikitsa. They give Rasana Sundhyadi, Prasaranyadi, Nasyam, Panchasnegam, Parambu, Karpasyasya Thailam. They apply Karuttavatti. They apply Nagaradi Levam with puli and vinegar. So all these things. But whenever whatever you do, 3 sittings of Agni Karma. Previously I was doing. Now I stopped doing all the kriyas. My students, Dr. Jayalakshmi, does it every day, and she says this is remarkably good tennis elbow. So it is Astikada Vadam, Swasthanasya Dosha Dusha Samurchanam, tennis elbow and golfer's elbow. Wearing band is advisable. Tiktarasena Kshiragridadu Beshadam is one Chikissa Sutram. Abhavahuga Chikissa Sutram is another Chikissa Sutram. Based on the avastha, the person can select and do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, patient having gastritis with cervical spondylosis, how can we choose Ushnavirya drugs?
We need not select Ushnavirya. Select. We can go for Dhanvandaram. We can go for the Vidaryadi. We can go for Indugandagradam. we can go for Siddhanalagyam, we can go for Kaishora Gugulu, we can go for Gokshuradi Gugulu, which are highly effective in gastritis as well as in cervical spondylosis. Madhurarasam, when it is needed, Madhurarasam has to be selected. So whether Madhuram can be given directly, if you feel Madhuram cannot be given in the first phase itself, you give Tiktarasa like Kuduchiyadi, Amrudotram for 1 or 2 days, and she change it to Madhurarasa. Vidaryadi is Madhurarasam, Madhuravibhagam, Sidaviryam, Guru Snigdagunam. Dhanvantaram is Madhurarasam, Madhuravibhagam, Sidaviryam, Guru Snigdagunam. But Balasruddhi of Vidaryadi is above Nami. Balasruddhi of Dhanvantaram is below Nami. Likewise, Hinguvajadi. Balasruddhi of Hinguvajadi is above Nami. Balasruddhi of Vaishwanaram is below Nami. So, Vidaryadi is a Urdhu Jatru Visesha Vada Pitta Samana Brahmana. Madhurarasa Yukta Aukshadas. And Visesha Balasruddhi is Gulmam. Gulmam, the gastritis comes under Gulmam. So, it can be definitely given and there is no problem.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you explain Gulma and Udavarta, sir?
We will take it separate topic because it's a very time-consuming one. One is Pradimarga Gadi and another one is Kaphavarda Vadam Pittakshayam. We will take it separately. It will not end. Joram and Gulmam. Gulmam I will take separately.
Okay, sir.
We will arrange a class and take Gulmam.
Okay, sir. So reasons for swelling of 1 feet alone, also bilateral swelling of foot in aged diabetic. So reasons for swelling on 1 feet alone, also bilateral swelling of foot in aged and diabetic.
1 foot swelling may be due to sprain, or due to filariasis, or lymphadenitis, or due to deep vein thrombosis. Bilateral swelling can be venous insufficiency, or from renal, or from liver, or from cardiac. If it is cardiac, nocturnal urination, midnight dyspnea will be there, high systolic, low diastolic BP will be there, jugular venous pulsations are seen, and you get pedal edema. They need more pillows to lie down in the bed. That is cardiac edema, which is can be interpreted as Vadasofam or Vadotram. There you will be giving Dasamulam Kashayam, Punarnavadi Kashayam, Chandra Prabhavadi, Dasamula Aridagi, Arjuna Arishtam, Dasamula Arishtam, or Dasamula is Sofagna Aushadas, you will be giving that. So coming to the liver, first it comes to the abdomen, ascites, then they will be coming to the food. Very easy to understand. It is defined as hypoalbuminemia. Hypoproteinemia is seen in liver diseases, cirrhosis. Cirrhosis easily we can diagnose low hemoglobin, low platelets, splenomegaly, ascites, esophageal varices, portal hypertension, pedal edema, low albumin. So if you remember, Padola Moladi Kashayam, 6 days they are telling. What is the Anubanam? Jangala Mamsa Rasam is the Anubanam. Why did they say Mamsa Rasam? Mamsa Rasam is protein. After Virejana, to solve the hypoproteinemia, protein drink is given as an Anubanam in a Virejana Ushala. So we are not talking about that. Coming to the renal edema. Renal edema is told in Ayurveda, Akshakuda Shodaha. There will be urea elevation, there will be creatinine, low hemoglobin, low calcium, high parathormone, high potassium. This is the picture, and this picture is compared to Malasanjayam. Pittam is Malam, Kapam is Malam, Vayu is not Malam. It is the Malarupa Snigdha that is interpreted as urea and creatinine. Kapaputtam Malam Keshu Prasvedo Nagaromaja Netra Vittochu Snego Dadunam Kramasomala. When there is apravarti, we will go for Nityameva Vireje. When there is Adipravarti, we will go for Mutra Virejaniyagana. In diabetes, edema in diabetes. Now coming to the edema in diabetes, you should rule out hypothyroidism. You should rule out microalbuminuria. You should rule out peripheral vascular occlusive disorders which reduce the blood supply to the legs. You should rule out Charcot joint disease, and you should rule out venous insufficiency in diabetes. Most of the diabetic people, after chronic diabetes, they may develop diabetic cardiomyopathy. So we should do an echo to find the ejection fraction. The ejection fraction is greater than 55, and you leave it. Medicine, coming to the medicine, diabetic with diabetes is a kapha rogam. Sofam is also kapha. Arakvodadi, Patya Punarnavadi, Vastiyamayeshu Girijam, Shiva Guliga, Dasamula Haridagi, the Dasamula Haridagi contains sweet. Kadikai Churnam at bedtime can be given. But if they are in liver edema, if they are in kidney edema, if there is no portal hypertension, there are 3 medicines told in Shoka Chikitsa edema which are highly useful. One is Gudardraga Prayogam, second one is Ajajibadadi Churnam, third one I use in renal failure very successfully. Shofam Tridosham Pravrittam Cha Gunimba Mahaushadascha. ஒரு வார்த்தை, ஒரு சின்ன வார்த்தை அஷ்டாங்க ஹிருதயத்துல எங்கேயோ மூலையில கிடக்கிற வார்த்தை. திருதோஷத்தினால சோகம் வந்தா பூனிம்பமும் சுக்கும் கொடுக்கணும். All the edemas I give, urea comes down, creatinine comes down. It's a very wonderful medicine in renal edema. So coming to this local edema, rice, you RICE. You raise the leg, I, you keep the eyes, C, you do creep bandage, E, you elevate it. So it is called rice therapy, and you do a creep bandage. You can do local dara, you can apply leba. Only thing you have to rule out DVT. DVT is a very dangerous condition. If the DVT is not treated, it may go to the pulmonary vessel and produce pulmonary embolism, and it will produce acute respiratory distress syndrome. That is why in COVID also we check D-dimer. D-dimer is checked in COVID. So these are all the varieties that exist. In Shofa, so many Mashaya, Kashayas are there. Ardha Vilvam is there. Chukkushunda Kataladi Goduttu Adil Ner Pagati Punarnam. Ardha Vilvam is not Vilvam. Vilvam means one Pala. Vilvam is there. Patya Punarnavadi, 2 Patya Punarnavadi is there. Swapaganam and Mutralam are different. Dasamulam is Swapaganam, Punarnava is Swapaganam, Gochuram is Mutralam, Sadavari is Mutralam, Bala is Mutralam, Ikshu is Mutralam, Trinavandyamulam is Mutralam. So you should know where to use Swapaganam, where to use Mutralam in practice. I think I have covered edema. I think so. Hema. Dr. Hema? Dr. Hema?
Sir, yes, sir.
Dr. Hema? Hema?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
yeah, sir, how relevant is neuropsychological assessment in our practice, sir? Psychological assessment.
Neuropsychological assessment is very important. Otherwise, you will miss some tumors, you may miss some congenital anomalies, you may miss. Personality assessment is very much needed. Clinical examination is needed, very much needed. If you are treating challenging neurodegenerative diseases, pinpointing the pathology is very important to assess the prognosis. Otherwise, myopathy, if you know the truth, you don't have to waste money and directly go for Utvartanam and Lashuna Rasayana. Those who consider it a Mamsa Balahinam, they do Navarakadi, Mamsa Kadi, Purichal, and worsen the case. If you took a simple CPK and check the Govard sign, at least the money will be saved. Yes, a few days before, one person came with ataxic gait. We did MRI. It was schwannoma. So he was operated, and within 1 week, she is perfectly normal. So we get examples, very good Ayurvedic knowledge. is needed. First 10 years you should work with Ayurveda thoroughly. After that only you should touch modern medicine. Before that, if you touch, you will become a quack. So you should learn pharmacology also. Pedal edema, you ask. People come with pedal edema. They have hypertension. They will be taking calcium channel blockers. Amlodipine and nifedipine and clinidipine they will be taking. Amlodipine can produce huge pedal edema. If you change the calcium channel blocker to AC inhibitor, AC to receptor blocker, automatically the pedal edema will go away. So if you have a consultant, we have consultants. We have cardiologists coming, rheumatologists coming, neurologists coming, psychiatrists coming. So they change it and edema will go away. So that is very important. So neuropsychological assessment, psychiatric assessment, personality assessment, all our sattvas, Rishi Sattva, Varanam, Varana Sattvam, and all these personalities are very important. I have found in my practice, it is not 100% correct. The Vada people are O positive, Pitta Vada are B, and Vada Pitta Samam is A, and AB is Kapha. This is some 80% accuracy is there, but still there is mistake. Sometimes I ask, are you B positive? Is your star is Trivonam? And they may tell, no, it is Magam. So our judgment will be wrong. So there is a close relation. Prakriti cannot be, so many things come in the surface and go away, but the innermost level of your being, the core that creates you, will not change. That is the Prakriti. So nowadays, if you are treating a COVID, are you seeing the Prakriti? Nobody is seeing the Prakriti. Where is the use of Prakriti? Karanam, Karanam, Kariyavani, Karyabalam, Anabandam, Desham, Bharam, Uvayam, Prakriti. Nobody is seeing that. Directly you treat the COVID. So because the Parampara you are treating. So neuropsychological assessment, in my clinical experience, is an added advantage to conventional Ayurvedic assessment.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, vertigo treatment in obese person. Some people on giving Madhura Rasa, if we select Drakshadi, they develop rhinitis. Please explain why.
What is the question, Amma?
Sir, vertigo treatment in obese person. Some people on giving Madhura Rasa, if we select Drakshadi, they develop rhinitis. Please explain why.
Obesity, the treatment is Guru Apadarpanam, Asanadiganam, Vatsagadiganam, Tikta Kashaya Prayogam, Udvartanam, Gomutravasti, Kulatta Prayogam, Triphala with honey, Vara Asanadi Kashayam, Shilajat Prayogam, Leganiya Vasti, Leganiya Ganam of Saraga, Yava Prayogam, like that. Guru Apadarpana Prayogam. I will tell you a beautiful example. I will tell you how our Indian culture is. Our Indian culture. Mahaganapati. Mahaganapati is in Mooladhara Chakra. Vadabi Ganapatim, they say Mooladhara Kshetra Sthitam. Mooladhara Kshetram na Trivarur Nartham. Kamalalaya Kshetram. Apo Gajananam Budaganadi Sevidam Kabitta Jambu Palasara Bakshidam Uma Sudam Soka Vinasha Karam Namamihi Vigneshwarappa. Obese person, Vinayagar vandu Pradhivi Tattva, adan obese. Obese na avar saaptu kodakatta panni namadana saapidran, avara saapidran. Sankalpam. Vidyarambe Vivageja. எவ்வளவு பெரிய கல்ச்சர். வெள்ள பிள்ளையாருக்கு வெள்ளத்தை நைவேத்தியம் பண்றது எல்லாம் பெரிய விஷயங்கள். அப்போ பிள்ளையாருக்கு நைவேத்தியம் கபித்த ஜம்பு பலசால பட்சிதம். Kabitam and Jambu are having glycemic index 19 and 23. These fruits are indicated for obesity. These fruits are indicated for Madhumega type 2. So even in Naivedya, there is the. So that is the beauty of it. So somebody asked about obesity. When Upadrava predominate over the main disease, if the obese person gets a Brahma or a Purana Jwara, there is nothing wrong in giving Drakshadi. But when upadrava does not predominate, tesham pradana prasame prasamaha, you go to the main disease.
So what is polymyositis treatment? Polymyositis.
Polymyositis is an inflammatory muscle disease. It is an autoimmune disease. It affects the young individual. Proximal muscles are affected. Waddling gait will be there. CPK and LDH will be elevated. Nerve conduction study and EMG are needed. ANA profile will be positive. ANA, DSDNA, LDH will be positive. ESR will be elevated. In M&D, distal muscles are affected. In polymyositis, proximal muscles are affected. This is mainly called Dhadupagam, Urustambam, Dhadupagam Vishesha Urustambam. There you will be giving Ashtavargam, Sagadaradi, Uddvartanam, Yeradi Uddvartanam, Abhayarishtam, Pipalyasavam, Vardhamana Vipali, Lashuna Rasayanam, Gomutravasti, Chatwarasthaila Gomutravasti, etc. Again, Snegam is Anuvosiyam here. Balladagam is very effective. Kapajona, Rogastina, Vivandasti, Dashana. Probably in modern sense, it has got an immunosuppressive property. Modern medicine gives steroids for this condition. Steroids are having a lot of side effects. Ulcer, cataract, avascular necrosis, so many things, opportunistic infections. So polymyositis should be the treatment principles of polymyositis or any other mixed connective tissue disorder or any other collagen vascular disorder. You should take it from Uttana Vadarakta Chikitsa. Uttana. Tak Mamsa Sradayam Uttana. Myositis, Mamsam, you have to take from Vadarakta Chikitsa. And Shatavari, Chinnarhvadi Kashayam, Palasadhavari Adi Kashayam, the second phase are highly used. Guduchi, Akare Aushadha, or polymyositis.
Thank you, sir. Sir, stammering in kids, sir, what would be the best medicine for them, sir?
There is only one medicine in the whole.
Kids.
Yeah, stammering. Gadgadam, Mugan, Minminan, Gadgadan. Mugan is mute, Minminan, nasal dysphonia, Gadgadan, stammering. There is only one medicine in Ayurveda where Gadgadatvam is mentioned as a Palasruti. That is Kalyanagagradam. No other medicine is having Gadgadatvam as Palasruti. So Kalyanagagradam with the Saraswata Churnam, Punagadayilam, Pradimarshanasya can be used, and speech therapy should be trained. In due course, it will become improved. It will improve. Kalyanagagradam with Saraswata Churnam and Vacha and Rudraksham should be rubbed with honey with little gold and can be applied. Vak Shakti Vardhanam iti Vaja. So Vaja is very good.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir. I think in spite of your busy schedule and there were some technical issues, but as you promised, you were like, so you actually answered so many questions of us, sir. I think this is the most wonderful time because everyone were like posting most of the questions in the chat box, so that we were like able to ask you, sir. And I think we got some of the overview. Thank you much, sir. And I welcome Dr. Vairamuthu to do the vote of thanks.
Yes. Hartika Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Sir's usually quote is Jnanahi Jnanena Sadrisha Amitram Iha Vidyate is one of the first quotes by our Guru Dr. L. Mahadevan. I hope we all got such kind of perfect jnana, not only in neurology, in all the gross conditions of Ayurveda. And sir is perfect Adarsha Rupa for both Samsara Samra and Jnana Dhara. I wholeheartedly thank you once again, sir, to being with us and sharing your valuable knowledge, sir. And I wholeheartedly thank you once again, all the Ayush Siksha Ayurveda entire team for the smooth conduction of the session. Finally, I thank all the participants who have joined today, and Hartika Dhanyavada. And
next class we will correct all the mistakes and it will be pakka. I am sorry for what had happened. I take the responsibility. My secretary is on leave. My students did that. I don't know anything about computer. In the future classes, COVID, neurology, 3 classes we cannot finish. It will take 2-3 months, but I am planning to take. Because you enjoy it, so I am planning to take.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Pranam.
Dear participants, there is a announcement. Dear participants, that due to an unavoidable and unexpected reasons, our tomorrow session is being postponed to day after tomorrow. That is 17/10/2020, Saturday, on the same time, sharp 9 p.m. Sorry, 6 p.m. And thank you again, sir.
Tomorrow I have a class in CCRAS.
Ano Badra Kritavo Yentu Vishwataha.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ilanjadian sir. Thank you, Roshi madam. Pranams to Dr. Hema. She is wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sarve bhavantu sukinaha, sarve santu ramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all.